Now, in terms of updates on the activities of the ministry since my last press briefing in March, I am pleased to report that we have made some progress with positive results. We have today obtained a court order freezing or placing a temporary hold on the known assets in the country of former President Yahya Jammeh and companies or organizations directly associated with him. The freezing order affects 131 landed properties held in the personal name of former President Yahya Jammeh or companies or organizations directly associated with him, 86 different bank accounts held in the personal name of former President Yahya Jammeh or held in the names of companies or organizations directly associated with him. 14 companies purportedly belonging to or directly associated with former President Yahya Jammeh, and a number of animals and livestock purportedly belonging to former President Yahya Jammeh. The application for the freezing order was necessitated by the discovery of unauthorized withdrawals of millions of dollars and foreign currencies by former President Yahya Jammeh from the central bank and state and other state corporations. For example, preliminary investigations have revealed that between 2006 and 2017, former President Yahya Jammeh personally or under his instructions directed the unlawful withdrawal of at least $189 million from funds belonging to the Social Security and Housing Finance Corporation. Preliminary investigations also revealed that between 2013 and 2017, former President Yahya Jammeh personally or under his instructions directed the unlawful withdrawal of at least $50 million from Special Projects Fund and International Gateway accounts at the Central Bank of the Gambia. Again, I emphasize that these are only preliminary findings at this stage, and all indications are that the discoveries are just a mere tip of the iceberg. The freezing order is therefore meant to prevent former President Yahya Jammeh from liquidating or dissipating his assets so as not to cause prejudice to the state should there be adverse findings made against him by a court of competent jurisdiction, which may require the recovery of assets and monies from him by the state. May I, however, add that this list of frozen assets is by no means exhaustive. Investigations are still ongoing, and if we find other assets purportedly belonging to former President Yahya Jammeh or to companies or organizations directly associated with him in this country, which are not already included in this freezing order, we shall also take immediate appropriate action. We therefore request anyone with information regarding the whereabouts of any assets of former President Yahya Jammeh or of companies or organizations directly associated with him to come forward and share this information with the nearest police station. Any person who is in possession of assets purportedly belonging to former President Yahya Jammeh and who fails to disclose this information may be committing an offense. We therefore urge everyone to approach the nearest police station within 48 hours after this press briefing to report this information. As I also stated previously, on previous occasions, we are finalizing the draft terms of reference for the establishment of a commission of inquiry to look into the financial and business-related